the suspect in a double murder case, makes his first appearance in court. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Quentin Smith. 51-year-old Michael Devaughn appeared before a Starkville municipal judge today. Devaughn was arrested on Saturday in Tishomingo County. He's being charged with the 1990 murders and sexual assault of Betty Jones and Catherine Krigler. His charges were read to him today, along with his Miranda rights for a second time. Now in court today, the judge asked Devaughn if he makes $1,000 a month. Devaughn told the judge he did not have a job at the time of his arrest and was living with his ex-wife. The 51-year-old was appointed a public defender, Stephanie Mallett. His next court appearance is set for October 11th. And as you can imagine, it's been an emotional day for Starkville Police Lead Detective Bill Lott. For him, the 1990 Labor Day cold case has been about science, DNA, and of course, justice for the victims. Our Jory Talley has more.
It's been a long journey.
So it's understandable if this detective needed to take a minute.
Today is Betty's birthday.
Betty Jones was 65 years old when she was killed.
It's really special that it happened to fall on her birthday that we do this. We're able to announce the arrest for her birthday. Yeah.
Sergeant Bill Lott says he sees Betty Jones and Catherine Krigler as more than just victims. He sees his own family in the two ladies.
I was raised by my sister and my aunts, and I've always had strong women. And the more I read this case, amazing person Betty Jones was, and Catherine taught school for 30-something years. My aunt Hilda taught 30-something years. To me, it started to get too really close.
Saturday, he sat across from the suspect for the first time.
I just told the other detective, I said, you do the talking, I just want to look at him for a little bit. Because, it was emotional for me, and I just needed to center myself, because it's been a long journey.
Lott says he can confirm 51-year-old Michael Devaughn has been in the North Mississippi area since the crime happened back on Labor Day of 1990. He has less to say about motive or even how Devaughn arrived in town.
Starkville is a college town. It's a transient town. A lot of people come here to live for a while and then they leave. And then a lot of people come here to see a football game, or they come here for a party. When I was in high school, I came to Starkville for parties, and it could have been very well, some situations like that. So, those, like you said, the list of possibilities are endless.
And of course, for family members and friends, this could be the closure they've longed for. Investigators credit new technology with helping them make the big break in the case. City leaders and the district attorney's office are congratulating the police department on their dedication to this case.
Yeah, I think it's a strong signal to the public and to people that commit crimes that we'll never give up in the pursuit of justice, and you can never rest assured that you're going to get away with it.
I would say that this is the biggest cold case that we've had to work here in Starkville. There are other cases out there, cold cases, but this one kind of jerked at the heartstring of the people here in this community because of who these young ladies were. So it was definitely, big case, great day, historic day.
District Attorney Scott Cologne's office will lead the prosecution team on this case.